With all the chaos going on right now in the crypto market, it may seem like this is a completely unique situation. Yes, it's true that we're coming out of a period of record money printing, inflation is very high, and we even have a war in Europe. However, well, what if this is just a pattern that keeps repeating again and again, and for all the people that just hodl or dollar cost average get richly rewarded? Well, in this video, I just wanted to share one very interesting chart. Not only does it show that this has happened before multiple times, but it shows that the next 3 months in crypto is going to be critical and also a big potential reward for people who can stick it out. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, always appreciated. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at is what I call the end game for this crypto winter. And so this is the one chart that I really wanted to share with you guys as it shows some very important stuff. And in a few minutes, you'll understand why. So let's just do a quick run through so we know what we're looking at. Okay, so essentially these are the Bitcoin cycles and they call them eras here, but just know this is cycle 1, 2, 3, and 4. So blue was the first one, and this is where Bitcoin very first started. You can see pretty much straight into a huge bull run, and that was cycle 1. It ended up crashing down and we went into cycle 2. So it bottomed here, and then this line in the middle, this is the halving event. And this is how many days to the halving. So 100 days, that's let's say 30 days in a month. So this is approximately 3 months to keep things simple. So this would be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year. And although this is the price of Bitcoin, pretty much the crypto market, as Bitcoin is going on a tear, the altcoins also go on a tear as well. So this pretty much is the same pattern for the crypto market as well, even though it's just Bitcoin. Now, so a couple of really important things to point out. So firstly, this is where we're at right now. So this was the last halving event. This was this double top that we went through up to November last year, and then it started crashing down, and we're now in cycle 4. So we just had this long sideways pattern, and then it's broke to the downside. Now, what's really interesting here is that this isn't unique. Not only has it happened before, but it's happened multiple times. So here's cycle 2. Again, it was breaking down at the exact same period. We had this sideways pattern, and then it fell off a cliff. Then cycle 3, after some major crashes, a long sideways pattern, and it fell off a cliff again in November. And then here we are, long sideways pattern. I'm sure each time there are specific reasons and things going on, but it's broken to the downside. So we think this is an anomaly, but it isn't. It's happened multiple times. This is why I think the next 3 months in crypto is critical, and this is the end game for this crypto winter. So this is approximately 3 months. Now remember, these big bull markets don't start from the halving event. The bull market starts from the absolute bottom of the bear market. So with cycle 2, the bull market actually started here, which was in a month of where we are right now. Then cycle 3, the bull market started here, and this is where we're at right now. So we're within a month of where the bull market started in the last 2 cycles. So I think given our unique circumstances right now, probably in the next 3 months, we're going to see the absolute bottom, and this will be the start of the bull market. Now, could this get pushed out to 6 months? It could. So probably the next three months, maybe 6 months. But this should be very, very exciting because look at the reward for the people that either dollar cost average when all the chaos is happening or just hodl. They have been richly rewarded. These are epic moves. This one was a 200x, this one was a 100x, this one was a 20x. Now, if Bitcoin can do a 10x from its low, altcoins will be doing 10, 15, 20x. But oftentimes this is very hard to see when we're right in the middle of the worst part of the crypto winter. So now you can see why this is such an amazing chart. So let's just do a quick summary. This is a great chart because it nicely points out that this has happened before, multiple times. If history repeats, then we're probably within 3 months of finding the absolute bottom. This is the absolute worst time when it comes to psychology. The fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, the anger, the losses that people have either experienced or unrealized losses. We've all lost money at this point. Amazingly, the bottom had happened within 1 month of this time. There is going to be a big build up to the next halving event. You can see as the psychology changes and you get this big run up to the halving. And then if history repeats, for the people that dollar cost averaged at the worst times or just held on, the bull market that's coming is going to be epic. So I really just wanted to share that with you guys. And this is the bull market that I keep talking about that is coming. Next video on this will be coming soon, as it's important to keep an eye on the big picture. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll probably refer back to this over the coming weeks and months as it's such a good chart, and I'll see you again soon.